Good morning, guys, and greetings to everybody watching this video. It's been a while since I picked up my phone and started recording. Well, it's almost Evander's wedding, so right now we are going to collect some alcohol case, a lot of beers and stuff. So we're gonna meet everybody over there. So I'm gonna vlog this entire like 15, 16, 17. 17th we're shooting, so that we're not going to be doing anything that day. Evander's not going to be coming. 18th is the roast. 19th and 20th is the grand day. Okay, so we were not able to go to get alcohol because by the time we reached, Darren already counted the cases and loaded it in the pickup truck. Right now, we are come to Evander's place, and this entire area has been cleaned. Super cool. And this is the Kazara Jagor. Yo, the groom's over here, man. How's the prep going on?
Stressful, man.
Yes.
Good, all good.
Oh, good.
Just, I don't know, mixed feelings, man. Today is the first ceremony, and I don't know, just feeling nervous, excited, all together, everything, man.
What do you have to say?
I'm just worried that I don't get drunk.
Oh, Saimama. Hi. Welcome to our vlog. How are you? How are you feeling about this wedding?
Feeling excited for this wedding and waiting for all this thing tradition to start.
कैसा?
होय ओळखता आज घालायचं अरे आज वेंडर ओळखत म्हणतेने कित सांगतो आणि आम्ही वेंडर म्हणून ओळखतो हा ही मस्ट हॅव थॉट समवन एल्स सोयरे ओचोय नवरो कोण कथा
Hey, gang mar. What tradition is this?
Roshi.
And what do they do? Like,
They put this randun to make dosh and cook food on that. So that is done today, Roshi. So that is the ritual tradition, the first kickstart for the wedding.
yes, and Evander is supposed to put that garland over there, over the cross. Oh, I saw the cross now.
What do you have to do now? It's pot you have to give. Gurkalo.
We've done so many weddings. I think this is the first time I'm paying attention to this stuff. Actually, this is the first guy wedding in our family.
Okay, I have no idea, but that's a tradition. Goan tradition, you know. Foundation of marriage.
Marriage should be
Fruitful.
like this, fruitful. Okay? Okay? And what something...
love and bear fruits
yeah, love and...
bear fruits
Yeah, down.
So now drinks have come. Yes, Evander is giving the groomsmen the boxes. The boys are over there. And I'm recording. Yeah. Hi, how are you feeling?
Very nervous, very excited. This is the proposal box for. Let's go, boy!
Push it, the guys have the black one. You all did black and blue. Sick.
Damn, bro! So, boys, let's go! Crazy, bro!
Oh, this is metal. I didn't know this was metal.
Dude, this is some crazy shit. Holy fuck. Wait, what's that man?
Socks now, Biborel. How will the man come?
Are this thing today crazy? This will be I think nice.
Oh, that was the glass on the bed.
Oh damn! Yeah. And this has to go in that, man.
Done, bro. JD, bro.
Did you do this logo on purpose? The
MAD, no.
no, like the normally our logos have.
No, I realized it
Oh
later.
shit!
But this is actually a cool idea, bro.
Oh. For real?
What a surprise, dude. I don't know how to react, dude.
Us all who were debunking this like Stranger Things that these, you know, and
I'm excited that basically for months I was like, oh, the guy behind the scenes and all, but now I'm the groomsman, pretty excited, even more excited. I'm also going to be, I was thinking how the roast is going to be. Everyone's going to be sitting there. I'll be the only guy not sitting with over there and be like splitting the roast and all that stuff. And this is me right now.
Somewhere deep down in my heart.
Right now it is 5 o'clock. Basically I was just relaxing at Evander's place. Now Mario went out. I don't know where he went, and Darren also went home, and then Jim. So I was all alone, but then this boy ended up coming.
I always show up.
All the way from Talegaon to Varka. He just came to give one mic. I was like, bro, we're anyways meeting tomorrow.
Sad story, man.
Now we are going to West Side because to check out some clothing for the roast. That is like after the roast what I'm going to wear and blah blah. Just to check out clothes because we didn't know what exactly to do now. Bekar we were.
And apparently, Mario is like, it's a boho kind of a theme. So we're all confused because we bought different colors and now we have to re-buy our clothes all over again.
Yeah, so now we're just going to go and check out West Side. And then later on, we're going to do our suit trial as well. So I think all the groomsmen are going to be there. And now I'm a groomsman as well. So. Now we've come to try our one suit. He has also given it to stitch. So he's given it to some other place.
This is, it's called the DP design. Especially stitched for Evander's wedding. Should you want a turtleneck t-shirt or something?
You're wearing a turtleneck?
Sadly, there's no much collection over here in this West Side, so I just picked up two things. Hopefully, the t-shirt looks good on me, so I'm just going to pick it up to wear something after roast. So guys, we just picked up our clothes from West Side and we got some discount and blah blah blah. Anyways, oh yeah, I got the discount. So the shirt was for 1,300, then it was on sale for 999, and if the bill value crossed 6,000, I get like additional discount. So the boys didn't pick up any clothes that were on sale, so sad for them.
I don't know what to say only.
Yeah, even I don't know
I
what
was
to
going
say.
to say what Evander said at West Side. 2,000? I was first before you all I came here.
Where's the camera, Ray?
I kept it. I couldn't find this or like cap only. You're looking more small on the vlog. You have the suit?
Page boy, no, Ray?
Page boy. Page boy, mota. Oh, page boy. Who's this one?
Page boy too.
Page boy. Hamar Akbar Anthony. Bro, that pant is going to burst, I feel. Bro. Why is she laughing, bro? Where is he? Where is he? I'm coming out like this. Brother.
Where are you going, Joshu?
Where are you going, Ray?
Oh, not him. It's like those West Side joggers which you just saw. GHD, it's gone.
Glute hamstring builder.
Mario, the way he's standing. Don't stand like that on the wedding day, dude.
Guys, we just finished with our trials and there was some few measurements and blah blah blah. The fittings had to be good, so we are called on 19th. Now next day is the wedding, and so there's some interesting thing that happened is my jet black pant, which is at home, Mario got that back over here saying that it is fit, it is loose for him, and they did it all over again, like they made it tight and all that. Later on we came to know that it was my pant, and now the tailor has to make it loose again. Anyways guys, now we're going to go and have tea, Amritsar tea, the best chai ever. So we found another place that's called Chai Mitri. It's in Vasco and in Tangent. Okay, one sad thing is I forgot to record that we ate the chicken leg piece. It always happens whenever I go out, I keep forgetting to record. But anyways, we've come to Shoot Tech over here to collect my uncle's laptop.